Okay, so going through this week's problems. Um, so this is just the standard heterozygous test cross with the homozygous recessive. So for part A, you can see there. So it is the agouti, then the wild type, and the mahogany, and then the wild type, ragged, and wild type for the heterozygous parent. The gene order right there, you can see the work, but this is what that gene order would be. For part C, so constructing that map and using the information above, got 17.4 for the RG to A, and then 13.1, and then calculating the interference with that, the answer that our group had was 57.5%. Moving on to number 2. So again, doing the same thing. So the gene arrangement, I'm not sure if it was supposed to be a allele arrangement, but so that's what it was. Excuse me. And then the gene order as well, working through that. SC wild type B over the wild type SC V wild type. Creating the linkage map, got 33 mapping units and 10 as well. And working that through, the interference value would be 27%. For number 3, going through, so the gene arrangement would be the wild type, Cole wild type, and then the glassii wild type striped thorax. The gene order right here, it is the middle one, which would be, let's see, the Cole wild type. Well, I guess it's the same for all those, but with the G in the middle. Going through for part C, it is 7.5 mapping units and 1.9. And then the interference value is 92.5%. Number 4, right here, you can see the gene arrangement is AN, the wild type, and then the wild type BR, F. The gene order is right there as well. You can see that on the right side. And then C is 5.1 and 19 mapping units. And then using those to calculate the interference value, the answer would be 48.4%. For question number 5, so here's the genotypes right here on the left, and then this is the frequency of each of those, just 25% for all of them. And then for part B, here we have AB dominant, homozygous dominant with 50%, and then AB homozygous recessive also for 50% as the frequency. And then for C, this is the same answer as as A, I believe. But right there on the left, that's the genotypes, and then the frequency again, all 25%. And then for D, going through this, divided 7.8 by 2, 3.9%. And since we figured out that the frequency was 50%, we subtracted 3.9 by 50, which gives us 46.1%.